Hello tech adventurers. Today I will show you how to create a TikTok account eligible for the creativity program from a country that is not eligible. This method is only used by me, so this is the first time I'm revealing it. It always works. I've created over 10 eligible accounts. So let's start. The first step is to search on Google Urban VPN extension, and we will add this extension to our browser. Now, as you can see, the extension has been installed. Now for the second step, we will open the extension and connect to the United Kingdom. To connect, follow my steps. Now I'm going to go to TikTok with the extension connected to the United Kingdom. Make sure you're connected, because if you're not, the method won't work. And from now on, everything is very easy. You have to make a new TikTok account. It can be done with any email address from any country. It doesn't matter. Just be very careful to have the extension turned on. And another secret after you have finished creating the account is not to log into it for 24 hours. And when you log in, do not have any SIM cards in your phone. And to see that the method works, I will leave you a screenshot with the option unlocked.